I'm not a professional dart player by any means, but I do know a little bit about darts and I know how to throw them, obviously. And when this company sent this to for my review, I was kind of blown away because 90% tungsten. I mean, we've all played with darts that are kind of like weirdly weighted. They either tilt out or they don't fly properly. Let's check out these ones because they are match weighted. And I'm excited because that means they're the real deal. So this is a pack of 3 and oh, look at that. So right off the bat, oh my goodness. Okay, so this is how they look. They look like the barrel is really nice. I wish you guys could feel this because this is so grippy. I feel like I would have the proper form every single time. Love the shaft on this. The barrel is amazing. So now how do you set this up? Of course, you do have the wingtips right here. So I'm gonna show you what they look like and how to set it up. And I mean, wow. So we got, yeah, look at this. I'm gonna take out everything. Everything is really well packaged and look at all the nice tips. Wow. Okay, cool. And then we're going to start playing with these because these open up just like that. And look at that. We're going to place it right inside. It's really hard. I should have worn my glasses for this. There we go. There we go. So right off the bat, the weight is beautiful. It's not too heavy. It is perfect. And I can tell that the flight is going to be just beautiful. Really high quality. All of the materials here are really high quality. And I love the fact that they do say it right on the box, 90% tungsten, because this is not a huge, like it's not a weighted steel. It is tungsten, so it's a little bit lighter. So your flight is going to be a lot more pure. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love the tips, by the way. You've got like different ones, obviously like this one, but probably this one is my favorite. This is beautiful. So yeah, if you're a serious dart player, definitely check these out.